I took a uranium poisoning test. I took a uranium test for poisoning a few weeks back, and I'm still waiting for results. Has anyone in this group taken one? Have you taken one, Nancy? Like I love my uranium test. It gives me like the hard eyes. Like, oh yeah. Like, oh yeah, baby, give me that. Save the turtles. I don't know what. Hey guys, you want to hear my rap? Hold on. I don't know about a group. What's going on? But I don't have a group. It's not me. Yeah, old people. I know, right? Because you are a man. Welcome. Is your phone... Welcome. Is your phone dead? It keeps going to voicemail. Sorry, it was on moon. It was on the moon. I'll send it in Discord. I'm on old people subreddit. Surgeon's general warning: smoking causes cancer and can be addictive. Smokey Bear says don't smoke in bed. Y'all believe you should make a meat a pack. Well, life with Luke. Chick-fil-A versus Chick. I never had Chick-fil-A. KFC will always be the best. You guys want to know a racist? You guys want to know a racist pickup line that I just came up with right now? So you go to a black girl and then be like, hey, can I pump? Hey, you want to go to Popeyes? Because Popeyes is chicken and black people and like it's racist to say black people eat chicken. Because I want to pop them that. I mean, what? Yeah, Auntie, can I pop your eyes? $5 for an iPod. Never had Popeyes either. Okay guys, thank you for watching my Minecraft Let's Play. I just beat the Ender Dragon, so I'm gonna end the video now. Thank you all for watching. This is my outro.